And it's now time for the business review. From Trinidad to Jamaica, one young professional has found roots in Jamaica's aesthetic industry. It's the story of Skin Lab. Deirdre Thomas tells us more.
Dr. Corinne Marie St. Clair arrived in Jamaica from Trinidad with nothing but a clock ticking on an internship offer.
I've always loved Jamaica, so I wanted to go to medical school here. But my mom was against it. However, she passed away when I was in medical school. So I literally decided, let me apply to do internship there. I didn't get to go to medical school there, but let me at least try to do and, get through to the internship program. And yeah, they called me December 2017. They called me to start January 4th. And I was like, yes, definitely, because I want to experience Jamaica.
What was supposed to be a temporary stop became a permanent chapter and the birth of the Skin Lab.
Why I started the Skin Lab? It's a mixture of two things. My own personal struggles with, acne and hyperpigmentation, and also understanding and seeing that there is room for growth in the aesthetic field. Like, there's so many persons who I've seen as clients. They would literally come to me and be like, oh, I went to this place, or I went to that place, or I went to this person. This happened, either nothing happened or there was some complication with where they went.
Now an aesthetic physician, Ms. St. Clair does several procedures and has formulated products using ingredients that are rooted in the Jamaican heritage.
We do a lot of PDO thread lifts, microneedling, chemical peels, microdermabrasion facials, LED light treatments, and then I back that up with skincare routines. So I formulate routines and recommend skincare products that would allow patients to achieve their skincare goals. Yes, so I actually started my product line, and there were two things that made me want to start this product line. So the first thing being, I always had an interest in developing products, right? Because I know what's needed post-procedure for clients.
As demand grows, so does her mission.
I mean, there has been a steady growth from the beginning because of the mix of the GP services and the skincare, and then the product line that started in year 2 or 3 that further elevated, revenue into the business. So I definitely had like a steady growth, from year 1 to 5.
As you say, steady growth, like how many clients do you see on a monthly basis?
Oh, well, that will definitely vary. I would say during the summer is when persons are really into like their skincare because they're outdoors more, a lot of sun is out at that time. So I would probably say in a month, I could see maybe 20 to 30 clients.
But her early days were full of friction.
I will say the challenge, well, back then it would have been bringing in products. Now I would say the challenges would be more staffing issues, really trying to find like reliable staff at this time to get everything that I need to done.
It's why she's now looking to build in 2 directions.
Hopefully start training other aestheticians and even persons who operate at spas, and even other doctors who would love to even get into the aesthetic field. So opening like an aesthetic academy is definitely one of my goals for the next 5 years.
For the Business Review, I'm Deirdre Thomas.